Thank you for joining us. South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson voiced support today for tougher penalties targeting crimes involving child sexual abuse material, or otherwise known as CSAM. News 4's Emily Deanne has been following this legislation. And Emily, what does the bill include?
Tessa, Wilson testified before a Senate Judiciary Subcommittee in favor of Senate Bill 723, which would increase mandatory minimum sentences for those convicted of creating or distributing child sexual abuse materials. Senate Bill 723 would increase mandatory minimum sentences for several offenses. Under the proposal, the minimum sentence for creating CSAM would increase from 3 years to 5 years. For distributing CSAM, the mandatory minimum sentence would rise from 2 years to 3 years.
This is what our team has looked at that they believe will give us the tools necessary to better protect our children through our ICAC task force efforts.
The legislation would also establish mandatory minimum sentences for possessing child sexual abuse materials, something current law does not require.
As technology is being utilized more, people are feeling like they can get away with more, and they're starting to commit more.
Those penalties would include 1 year in prison for possession of between 26 and 250 images and 2 years for possession of more than 250 images. In addition, the bill would impose a 5-year mandatory minimum sentence for any registered sex offender convicted of possessing CSAM.
So someone who's currently on the sex offender registry, if they possess one photo, there should be no discretion.
Wilson, a supporter of the bill, says the changes are intended to hold offenders more accountable and better protect children from exploitation.
We're asking for these mandatory minimums because it underscores the importance and the seriousness of what's being done to these children.
The Attorney General's office also submitted an amendment to the bill that would make third-degree offenders with a previous conviction requiring them to join a sex offender list face a minimum of 5 years imprisonment. S727 will now move forward to the full committee. If passed, the charges would only apply to future convictions under South Carolina law. Working for you, Emily Deanne, News 4.
Thank you, Emily.